Welcome to the ShoreTel IP 480-485 phone training. In this training, we will discuss the physical features of the phone, go over call handling, which includes making and answering calls, placing calls on hold, parking and unparking, transferring and conferencing. I will also show you how to access your phone directory, change your availability state or call handling mode, how to assign your extension to another phone, and how to set up and access voicemail. We will start by going over the physical features of the phone. The message indicator light blinks red when you have a new message or when you have an incoming call. It will stay solid red when you are on the line. The programmable buttons down the side of the screen can be used for incoming lines, speed dials, or other telephony functions. The LCD display shows your name, extension, the date, and time. It also shows soft key functions and will show caller ID when you have an incoming call. The soft keys are the buttons located directly below the LCD screen. The function is written on the screen. Please note on a 480 series phone that the options is now a soft key instead of a hard key. This is where you can change your ringtone, program speed dials, or enable a headset. The volume button allows you to change the volume of your ringer, your speakerphone, your handset, and your headset. The headset button allows you to use a headset and speak hands-free. The mute button comes in handy when you are on a conference call and have something else going on in the background. Then you can block people out so they can't hear you, but you can still hear the conversation that's taking place. The speaker button allows for hands-free capability. Please note that the microphone for the speakerphone has about a 20-foot radius, so it is important that you use the mute button if you have something that you don't want people to hear. The navigation key allows you to scroll up and down through call history or other menu functions. By pressing the selection key located in the center of the navigation key, it's a way to press enter on your phone. The voicemail button allows you to access your voicemail box. You can also press the pound key and it will bring you to your voicemail. The transfer button allows you to transfer a call to another extension or an outside line. The directory button is a phone book for your entire company. The conference button allows you to conference in a third party. This can be internal or external. The history button allows you to scroll through previous calls, incoming, outgoing, or missed. You can also call people back or check duration of call. The hold button allows you to place a call on hold. To place a call using your handset, pick up the handset, dial the extension, or dial the trunk access code 8 or 9 and then the number. To end a call, hang up the handset. To place a call with your speakerphone, press the speaker button, dial the extension, or dial the trunk access code 8 or 9 and then the number. To end a call, press the speaker button. If the information is available, a caller's name and number will appear on your display while your phone is ringing. To answer a call using your handset, pick up your handset. To answer a call using your speakerphone, press the speaker button. And to answer a call using your headset, press the headset button. If there's a call ringing your extension and you can't get to your phone in time, you can pick it up at another phone. Select the Pickup Soft key, dial your extension, and press the Pickup Soft key again. You will then be connected with the call. When additional calls are received, press the ringing line key. The first call will automatically be placed on hold. You can toggle between the two calls by pressing the blinking line key. To place a call on hold, press the hold button. The line key will flash. To take a call off hold, press the blinking line key, or press the hold button again. To redial someone, press the history button. Scroll to the caller that you would like to call. Press dial, pick up the handset, or press the speaker button to dial. To place a call on park, while you are on a call, press the park soft key. Dial the extension you would like to park the call at, and press the park soft key again. To unpark a call, from the phone that the call is parked at, simply press the flashing line key, or, from any other phone, press the unpark soft key, dial the extension the call is parked at, and press the unpark soft key again. To forward a call directly to voicemail, press the To VM soft key while your phone is ringing. To divert a call, press Transfer, then press the speed dial, dial an extension, or dial the trunk access code 8 or 9, and then the number. Then press the Transfer soft key to complete the transfer. To complete a blind transfer, while on a call, press the Transfer key. Press a speed dial, dial an extension, or dial the trunk access code 8 or 9, and then the number. Then press the Transfer soft key to complete the transfer. To complete a consult transfer, while on a call, press the Transfer button. Press the speed dial, dial an extension, or dial the trunk access code 8 or 9, and then the number. Press the Consult soft key, or stay on the line to talk to the person. Once you have done so, you can hang up to complete the transfer. To transfer to someone's voicemail, while on a call, press the Transfer button. Press a speed dial, or dial an extension. Press the More soft key. Press 2 MB or 2 VM, depending on whether you are running Communicator or Connect client. Hang up to complete the transfer. To create a conference call, while on a call, press the Conference button. Press a speed dial, dial an extension, or dial the trunk access code 8 or 9, and then the number. Press the Conference soft key to connect all parties at once. Or press the Consult soft key to speak with the recipient before completing the conference call. To find phone numbers within your system directory, press the Directory button. Use the scroll key to select contacts, or press the alphanumeric keys that correspond with the first few letters of a person you wish to call. This narrows the entries for your search. Press the Dial soft key to dial. Each phone has 5 call handling modes or 6 availability states. They are Standard or Available, In a Meeting, Out of Office, Extended Absence or Vacation, Custom, and Do Not Disturb. Each call handling mode can be set up with a different personal greeting. To change your call handling mode or availability state, press the Mode or State soft key. Using the scroll button, select the desired mode or state. Press the OK soft key. To change your ringtone, press the Options soft key. Enter your password, scroll down to Ringtone, press the Edit soft key. Scroll down to find a ringtone. Listen to them by pressing Preview Internal or Preview External. Press the OK soft key to choose one. To set up your voicemail box, press the Voicemail button or press pound. Enter the default password 1234 followed by pound. The system will then prompt you to change your password. Enter your new password followed by pound. To verify accuracy, re-enter your new password and press pound. The system will also ask you to record your name. At the prompt, record your name. To reassign your extension to another phone temporarily, do the following. Press Voicemail. Press Call VM. Press pound and enter your extension. Enter your password followed by pound. Press 7 for voicemail options. Press 3 to reassign the extension. Press 1 to assign your extension. To unassign your extension, press Voicemail. Press Call VM. Press pound and enter your extension. Enter your password followed by pound. Press 7 for voicemail options. Press 3 to reassign the extension. Press 2 to unassign your extension. This is a menu for all voicemail functions. The main ones you will use are number 1, listen to messages, number 2, send messages, and number 7, mailbox options. There is a copy of this out on the training website. Feel free to print off a copy. Congratulations, you have finished the ShoreTel IP 480-485 phone training. If you have any further questions, please contact your system administrator.